Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of information, travel informations, and um, study abroad information and all of that. This is Mudupe, Olakule Mudupe, and I'm so glad to be back. And this time around, it's an update concerning the SI scholarship that I posted 3 weeks ago. And before I continue, if you're a new subscriber or you're just seeing this page for the first time, you're welcome. Welcome to the club. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification so that when I post new videos concerning studying abroad and travel informations and especially scholarships, you would be the first to see it. And I also want to say to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. This is an update video concerning the SI scholarship because I said I was going to make an update video and here it is. So it's to further explain the SI scholarship and you know how to apply and what to do. So please come along. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. And before we get into the video proper, I just want to say thank you to the amazing 1001 subscribers that subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Please share this video and every other video on this page. Please share them to your family members, your friends that are looking for scholarship or want to relocate abroad or want to study abroad. It will be very helpful to them. Please like the video and subscribe as well. Let's as we've gotten this channel to 1000 followers, 1000 subscribers, we can get it to 2000. Please, let's get it to 1005. So please subscribe to this channel. Now let's get right into the video. So in the previous video concerning this SI scholarship, this Swedish institute scholarship, I talked about the scholarship, I talked about eligibility, I talked about how to apply and all of that. Now there is new information concerning the scholarship because the last time I talked about the eligible programs, that the programs are eligible for the scholarship. In the previous video, I said I was going to bring the list of the eligible programs for this scholarship because previously they had not posted it on the website. They had not posted the eligible criteria, the eligible programs. They only posted the eligible countries, which I had already mentioned. We talked about what the scholarship covered. We talked about the criteria for the scholarship, the countries that can apply to the scholarship, and we talked about previous work experience because it is needed and how to calculate your previous work experience. Now, I was talking about the eligible master's program for the scholarship. At the time I made that video, they had not uploaded it. They said they were going to upload it mid November, and we are already in mid November, and they've uploaded it. And I also mentioned something about how to apply to the university because, first of all, you have to apply to the university with the eligible master's program. You check this list for the eligible master's program that you can you want to apply for. Like I always say, let the master's program that you're applying for be related to what you studied in your undergraduate. Let it be like a continuation of what you studied in your undergraduate. That is when you have the highest chance. You have more higher, or you have higher chances of getting the admission. It is when you now get the admission that you can now apply for the scholarship. Now, you don't necessarily have to, they don't necessarily have to notify you that you've gotten the admission. Once you apply to the master's program, they will give you an application number. So it is that application number you will now use to apply to this Swedish Institute scholarship, this SI scholarship. Now, let's check out the list of programs for this scholarship. So these are the list of eligible programs for the scholarship. Please, you can just go through them and see. The list contains universities in Swedish that offer this program. So you all you have to do is go through the list of eligible programs, master's programs, pick the one that is related to what you studied in your undergraduate, and then you will now go to the university and go and check the criteria, the requirements for this program. So when you check the requirements and you find out that you meet the requirements, then you come here and then you go to the university admission. So apparently you cannot apply to these programs in their various university portal. There is to apply to a program or to a university in Sweden. There is a general admission portal called the University Admissions. That is where that this general portal is where you go to apply for your master's program in any university of your choice in Sweden. Now let me go there so you can understand what I'm talking about. So I'm clicking on the university admission portal because you would see it. I would put the link to this university admission portal. I'll put the link down in the description box. I'll put the link to the whole information down in the description box. And I'll also put the link to the eligible master's program down in the description box. So you go to this general portal called the admission.se. I'll put the link down in the description box. Sorry, don't worry. So you can go there and check it out. So when you come here, you can see login. You have to log in, like sign up for the if you are here for the first time, you have to sign up. Then I'm logging in because I'd already signed up before prior to this. So if you are here for the first time, instead of login, you see sign up. And even if you see login, just click on it. It will take you here. It will take you here where you can sign up. It will take you because I've already signed up. That's why my details are here for me to log in. You you see here create an account. So if this is your first time, you create an account. So when you create an account, you'll be verified. They'll send the verification code to your email to verify your email. When you do that, then you can now log in. So you log in. I'm logging in right now. So you see my applications. I don't have any active application. I've not applied to any school. I've not applied to any program. So search for courses and program. You click here. So you search for course and program. Like I said, you will go to this eligible masters program list and check the one that is the one that corresponds with what you studied in your undergraduate with your bachelor's degree. So for example, let's say you studied computer science in your undergraduate degree in Nigeria or Cameroon or Ghana or wherever you studied. And now you want to do your master's degree. You can do your master's degree in cybersecurity. Now, this cybersecurity is the program is done by this university here. So all you have to do is go here. You can type cybersecurity for autumn summer 2026. Well, now, it is important for you to know when this scholarship is 2026. If we go back, so the SI scholarship is usually for autumn. So you see autumn, spring, summer. It is for autumn 2026 academic year. So you search for cybersecurity, and then you find courses. So these are the courses on cybersecurity. So you see that this school that offers the cybersecurity, where did we? This school that offers cybersecurity, John Coping University, is actually here. You look for it, John Coping University Cybersecurity Masters. So it's 120 credit. You can now select it. You select it. Here you can select up to three admission. You can select up to three. You can select up to three admission. But when you are selecting up to three admission, you can select up to three programs. I mean, when you are selecting up to three programs, the first program you selected is your first choice. So the first one you selected is the priority, is the first choice, meaning that is the one. Your first choice is the one that they will give you the scholarship in. So be careful what you pick first as your first choice. So it's your first choice that would determine your scholarship. That's what your scholarship will be given in. Now, if you did not get admission to the first choice, then they will prioritize the second choice. Whichever one that you get admission to is what they will give you. But most especially, if you get admission in your first choice, it is your first choice that they will see and they will give you scholarship in. So you have to be careful the one you prioritize as your first choice. So like that, you go back again and then you repeat the same thing. So let's say you pick cybersecurity, look for another thing that is related to computer science. I'm seeing one up here, data science. You can pick data science in Dalana University. So we go here and then we pick data science. So we're looking for Dalama University. So the thing is, you can just go through this list. There are so many universities that are offering even the same program. So you can go through this list and write down the three admissions that you want, the three programs that you want that is related to what you are doing. Write them down, and then go on here and search for them and add them. I mean, I think you can add more than three. Let's see if you can add more than three. So let me just pick this, because it has to be a master's program here with the university on board. There are some master's program here that the universities are not on board with the scholarship. They are not on board with the scholarship. So you have to check if the university is on board with the scholarship. I don't know if that makes sense, because these are the list of universities that would allow SI scholarship to that will allow the Swedish government to give you the SI scholarship. There are some universities that are not here, meaning that even if you get their admission, you will not get the scholarship. So you have to, like this loans now, loans is here, loans university. I'm seeing loans. So check if the programs are also part of the programs that are here, and then you apply. Let me just pick this master's program in computer science, geoscience, select second, then we go down. I'm just selecting in random, but you have to make sure that you write down the courses that you want. I just want to see the maximum amount of courses you can select. So I'm picking here Uppsala computer science. I'm picking this as well, three. Okay, let's see if I can pick more. Master's program from is this even part of the? So I know Uppsala is part, so you have to check if they are part. So I'm just speaking in random. I'm just trying to show you how it is done. But please check if the programs are here and the school is here that is offering the program. So when you check for the school and the program, you come here, you input the program, and then you search for the program with the school. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm just selecting randomly. So okay, I can select more. I think this is four. I think the maximum is five. Let me put this as well. Okay. So there are five courses. You have selected five courses program. The next step, you prioritize your selection. So start application, then click start application. I selected five courses. I think you can select five courses. And then you come here. Now you have to prioritize. Now, this is where I'm telling you about you have to prioritize your selection. So if cybersecurity is your number one, you put it as number one. You prioritize. Okay. So you select, but I would say that before you select the programs, please write down the programs, write them out, the ones that you want to do here in the list of eligible programs and their school. Go to the school, pick five. Like I said, pick five. Go to the school of each five. The school are here, they mentioned their school. Go there, then check for the programs, the five programs you've picked from the five different university. Check, go through their criteria, like I said, go through their eligibility criteria. If it's something that you have, if it's something that you don't have, because different schools with different criteria of what they are looking for, what they want. So go through them, go through all the criteria. Know that you have all the criteria. Check them. So here it's saying that, do you understand the syllabus? Now I haven't gone to the school to read the syllabus. You have to go to the school, to the program, to go and read about their syllabus to see if it is something you can do. Because it's not just about applying. Note, is this something you can do? You read more about it. You can read more about the course and everything of each five. Now you continue. You selected it. You must rank your choice. Okay, it's telling me to rank my choice. So cybersecurity. So you can rank it. So I'm putting cybersecurity as my first choice. So like this, like this. You have selected too many courses and programs. The maximum number an applicant may apply to is four. So it is not five. You can only apply to four, not five. So one has to go, and it is this number five that has to go. So you can only apply to four courses, not five. So continue. Yeah. Please answer the questions below that pertain to you. So your answer, my university qualifications are from Nigeria. I'm not applying, I'm just doing this so you can see how it is done. Application fee. I have read the information. So you have to pay an application fee. It's only people from European Union countries like, and countries like Switzerland that do not require to pay application and tuition fee. You do not need to pay if you are a European citizen or you are from Switzerland. But because you are from Nigeria, Africa, if you are from Africa and every other country that is not in Europe, you have to pay an application fee. So yes, application fee. Find out more about application fee and tuition fee. So you have to be eligible to pay tuition fee as well, even though you are aiming for the SI scholarship. Now you submit, confirm. Thank you for applying to study in Sweden. So they are going to send you to complete your application. Please upload document that prove your eligibility. If you don't have a Swedish personal ID number, you must also upload copies of your passport. So you go here, document received, submit multiple international passport, submitted. So I had submitted some documents here before. So here you will just upload your document, and then after uploading, to now take you to the payment, the final payment place where you have to pay. So you just follow the instruction and like that till you get to the final payment point. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah, that about how to apply. You have to come and apply here. You are only entitled to apply to four courses, maximum of four courses, and pick your courses from this eligible master's program. I'm going to be putting all the links down in the description box, and please follow this video step by step. Then you get it. You'll be able to apply to the courses. Then when you apply, now the application fee, you are paying just one application fee that would apply to the four of them. So you're picking four courses in four different universities. And at the end of after uploading all your documents that is required, you will now pay just one application fee for all the four universities and all the four courses. So once you pay that one application fee, it covers all the four courses from all the four universities, then you are good to go. Then you wait till your result comes out. And then before then, after your result comes out, I think then the SI before your result comes out, sorry, the SI scholarship form, you'll be able to fill the SI scholarship form. And then as your result is coming out, they are also sending your results to the Swedish the SI scholarship team. And then the SI scholarship team will use your results to, make a basis on if you are going to get the scholarship or not. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you have any other question, please put the question down in the description box. This video is getting too long, and I don't want that. So please put your questions down in the comment section, and I will come on there to answer your questions. And if you need templates for the scholarship, for to write your motivation letter for the scholarship, you need templates for your CV. I have a study guide that I have already put together. I put the link in the description box. So go on and click the link. You have to pay for it. It is not that much it's not much. You pay 15,000, 50, I think about 15,500. You get the guide. It contains the template for this the motivation letters, the template for leadership motivation letter. It contains all the templates that you need to apply to the scholarship. Your CV template. All you just have to do is take this template and adjust them to your background or to your story or to whatever it is that you want to write. You just adjust it and revamp it, and that's it. That you are good to go. And these templates are from people that have previously won the scholarship. So it's not just anyhow template, it's their legit template of people that used it, that wrote it, and they won the scholarship previously. So it's just a bonus for you. You don't need to stress. All you just have to do is change the things that are there and use it. And also, there are a lot of things that are in this guide. So please get the guide. And there's also one-on-one consultation. If you want me and you to discuss one-on-one, I will put the link down in the description box so you can go on there and pay for it. They are not free. You have to pay for it. Thank you very much for watching up to this point. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.